August 15th, a day of immense pride and historical significance for India as it marks the nation's independence from British rule in 1947. But did you know that this date is shared by several other countries worldwide? Countries with their own unique stories of liberation, struggle, and triumph. Today we delve into these nations' untold stories and explore their remarkable journey since gaining independence. Stick around, because what you're about to learn might just surprise you. While August 15th is a day of national pride for India, it's more than just a date on the calendar. It's a shared moment in history for countries across the globe, each with its own unique narrative of freedom. But what connects these diverse nations? What makes this date so special? Join us as we uncover the powerful stories behind the independence and national celebrations of India, South Korea, Bahrain, Congo, and Liechtenstein. Whether it's the resilience of a war-torn nation, the strategic diplomacy of a tiny principality, or the rebuilding of societies from the ashes of colonial rule, August 15th is a day that echoes with the spirit of independence. 1. India. India's journey to independence is one of the most iconic stories in modern history. After centuries of British colonial rule, India finally broke free on August 15, 1947. The freedom struggle, led by figures like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, and countless other heroes, was characterized by nonviolent resistance, civil disobedience, and a relentless demand for self-rule. In 1947, India was a fledgling nation facing monumental challenges. The partition of India and Pakistan resulted in mass migrations, communal violence, and a humanitarian crisis. Despite these obstacles, India's leaders were determined to establish a democratic and secular nation. Jawaharlal Nehru, India's first prime minister, famously declared India's independence with the words, "At the stroke of the midnight hour, when the world sleeps, India will awake to life and freedom." Fast forward to today, India stands as the world's largest democracy and one of the fastest growing economies. From advancements in technology to space exploration, India has made significant strides on the global stage. However, the journey is far from over. The nation continues to grapple with challenges such as economic inequality, social justice, and environmental sustainability. Yet, August 15th remains a day of immense pride, a celebration of India's enduring spirit and its achievements over the past 7 decades. 2. South Korea. Halfway across the world, South Korea celebrates August 15th as Gwangbokjeol, or Liberation Day. This day marks the end of Japanese colonial rule in 1945. Gwangbokjeol literally means Restoration of Light Day, symbolizing the end of a dark period in Korean history and the dawn of a new era of independence and hope. The liberation of Korea in 1945 was bittersweet. While the country was freed from 35 years of Japanese occupation, it soon found itself divided along the 38th parallel, leading to the establishment of South Korea and North Korea. The Korean War, 1950 to 1953, further devastated the peninsula, leaving South Korea in ruins. Today, South Korea has risen from the ashes of war to become one of the most dynamic and technologically advanced nations in the world. Known for its economic miracle, South Korea is a global leader in industries such as electronics, automobiles, and entertainment, with K-pop and Korean dramas capturing the hearts of audiences worldwide. Gwangbokjeol is a day of national pride, a celebration of South Korea's resilience and its remarkable transformation into a global powerhouse. 3. Bahrain. August 15th also marks Bahrain's independence from British protection in 1971. Although Bahrain officially celebrates its national day on December 16th, August 15th remains a significant date in the nation's history. In 1971, Bahrain was a small, predominantly pearl diving and fishing economy. The discovery of oil in the early 20th century brought rapid modernization, transforming Bahrain into a wealthy and strategically important nation. The British withdrawal allowed Bahrain to take control of its destiny, paving the way for its development as a sovereign state. Today, Bahrain is a prosperous modern nation with a diversified economy that includes finance, tourism, and oil. It is known for its rich cultural heritage and plays a crucial role in regional politics. Despite challenges such as political unrest and economic dependency on oil, Bahrain continues to strive for stability and growth. August 15th serves as a reminder of Bahrain's journey to independence and its achievements since then. 4. Congo, Republic of the Congo. In Central Africa, the Republic of the Congo celebrates its independence from French colonial rule on August 15, 1960. This day marked the beginning of Congo's journey as an independent nation amidst the wave of decolonization that swept across Africa. In 1960, the Republic of the Congo emerged as an independent state with high hopes for the future. However, the early years of independence were marred by political instability, civil conflicts, and struggles in nation building. The challenges of governance, economic development, and social cohesion were immense as the country sought to find its footing in a post-colonial world. Today, the Republic of the Congo is rich in natural resources, particularly oil, which plays a crucial role in its economy. However, the country continues to face significant challenges such as political corruption, economic inequality, and social unrest. Despite these issues, August 15th is a day of national pride, celebrating the Congo's independence and the resilience of its people as they continue to work toward a better future. 5. Liechtenstein. And then there's Liechtenstein, a small but prosperous principality nestled between Switzerland and Austria. While not an Independence Day, Liechtenstein's National Day is celebrated on August 15th, a date of deep historical and cultural significance for this tiny European nation. The choice of August 15th is tied to the Feast of the Assumption, a major Catholic holiday, and coincides with the birthday of former Prince Franz Joseph II, who played a crucial role in the country's modern history. In the mid-20th century, Liechtenstein was a largely agricultural society with limited resources. However, through strategic diplomacy and economic reforms, Liechtenstein managed to maintain its sovereignty while fostering close ties with Switzerland. The country's leadership focused on creating a stable, peaceful, and prosperous environment, avoiding the conflicts that plagued much of Europe during the same period. Today, Liechtenstein is one of the wealthiest countries in the world, boasting a high standard of living, a strong financial sector, and a robust economy. It's known for its beautiful alpine scenery, low taxes, and thriving industries, including manufacturing and finance. National Day is a time when the entire population, including the ruling family, comes together to celebrate the country's success and reflect on its unique identity as a small but sovereign nation. Though tiny, Liechtenstein stands as a testament to the power of good governance and national unity. August 15th is more than just a date. It's a symbol of freedom, resilience, and national pride for millions of people across the world. Whether it's India, South Korea, Bahrain, Congo, or Liechtenstein, each of these countries has its own unique story of independence, growth, and triumph. Which country's story inspired you the most? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating insights into the world's most important events.